guys, it's Allie. Welcome back to my channel. I am very excited for this video because I made a vending machine and I have one right back there too. But this one is like a very like great, good quality one, and it's not only a vending machine, it's a slime vending machine. So do not give me all the credit for it, but with forever all the credit for it because she actually created this, but you know, like obviously I made it my way and changed it up just a little bit, but she is the person that basically inspired me to make this vending machine. So I'm just going to show you guys like what it does and all that. So right here is the slime activator, and it's just borax and water, and right here is what you push and your glue falls down, and then you can reach it out right here. You just grab your glue, and then right here is the coin insert slot. So that says push me, you push, your glue falls down, and yeah. And in this, you obviously just, you know, squirt the thing out. So let's take a try on this. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a big thumbs up, and if you would like to see like an actual tutorial on how to make a slime vending machine, then let me know in the comments, or just any other slime videos. But I absolutely love this slime, and I know a trick now. If you add a lot of borax, it will not be stretchy or pokey or anything at all. But if you add just a little bit of borax and just enough, the stickiness that you can need, and it won't get your hands dirty anymore, that is perfect. See, like this is super stretchy because I used like barely any borax, but then like when I play with it like this and all that, it didn't even get my hands dirty at all. And I don't mind if it's not colored, honestly. I like white slime. White slime, I think it's still slime, so I still love it, you know. If you have not subscribed to me yet, you definitely should, because I upload every Thursday, and this Thursday I didn't because iStep. If you guys take iStep, you know how stressful, and it's just, you hate iStep. I hate iStep too. So, yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys!